Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Just in case you're new, this is Miss Wiro, and guys, today we're doing a meal prep. As you all know, November and December are the busiest months, and so I need to make food that I'll take during my busy days. I'll begin by washing my onions that have already peeled, and I like doing this before I begin my meal prep so that I don't get tired. I normally peel my onions together with my garlic so that it doesn't get messy and tiring as I continue with my meal prep. And I normally do it while seated and watching so that it doesn't get boring. I have a package that I've just received from Carrefour, and I was waiting for this so that I can continue with my cooking. I have some vegetables that I ordered. I didn't have enough, and so I had to order them from Carrefour. This is the first time I'm doing this. I think the second time I mistake. Mostly I buy my items by myself from Wakulima Market. So I'll go ahead and wash them, and then after that I'll continue with cooking. I'm only going to wash the ones that I've bought now. The rest I'd already washed. And just in case you're asking yourself, I'm using veggie wash to wash my vegetables. I have some spinach right here and sukuma wiki or kales, and these ones I'm going to store in the fridge because I like making them as I go. I don't like meal prepping them with other foods, so these ones I'll just store in the fridge, and then I'll just be cooking them immediately when I want to eat them. I'll be using this table to put all my veggies that I'm going to use today in this meal prep so that I can create some space on the countertop that I'll be working on. It's now time to prep my breakfast for the coming week, and I'll begin by boiling my eggs, and I'll add in water, and also I'll add in some vinegar so that they will be easy to peel. Next, I'm going to peel my arrowroots and sweet potatoes, then boil that too. I'm adding in some salt and water, and then I'll set that on the induction cooker to cook. As they cook, I'm going to soak my liver. I have some liver here that I'm going to cook next, and so I'll soak that in milk so that it can eliminate the bitter taste. Then I'll cook it later.
I bring my burden again to my Father in my...
And now it's time guys, to show you the next item that I've invested in. I decided to buy these glass fridge containers, and for the longest time I've been having the plastic ones, and it's because I couldn't afford these ones. So if you have the money to buy the glass ones, then just go ahead and buy them instead of buying the plastic ones first. Just buy these ones once, and I tell you, these will serve you. I have two of them. They're just as heavy as these. I got those two a few years ago, and I still have them up to now, and they're very strong, very strong. And just in case you need to buy these ones, then Glahpe Suppliers is the plug. They have the ones with bamboo lids like the ones I'm having here, and also they have those with plastic lids, so the choice will be yours. I'll go ahead and wash them because I'm going to use them to serve my first meal and my second meal, and because they're bulky, I'm only going to wash these 6. The next I'll wash again as I cook the next meal, because I need to create some space. Yeah, so I've set them aside a bit. I'm only washing 6, and then I think I'll have 3 left because they're only 15 pieces.
Glory to you, God. You undo me again, my Father and my friend, singing glory to you, Lord. I look into your face, all my fear falls away, singing glory to you, God. You undo me again, my Father and my friend, singing glory to you, Lord. Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Your peace surrounds me and hope is found right where I am now. Anytime, any place, when I call on your name, you are there. Anytime, any place, when I call on your name, you are there. Anytime, any place, when I call on your name, you are there. Anytime, any place, when I call on your name, you are there. Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Your peace surrounds me, hope is found right where I am now.
My breakfast is ready, and they've even cooled also because I was doing a lot. So I'm just going to set them aside and then serve them and set in the fridge. And I noticed that those containers are slightly bigger than these ones, so I'm not going to use them for breakfast, but I'm going to use them for the rest of the meals. So this will be my breakfast for the whole week, and that is arrowroots, and then I have yellow and white sweet potatoes. Then I'm going to add a piece of egg in each container. And for the next meals that I'm making, I'm not making them for only the coming week, but I'm making them so that I can take them randomly on the days that I'll be busy. Yeah, there's some days that I get so busy that I can't even cook, so those foods are meant for those days. Anytime that I can find time to cook, I'll always cook, but if I don't have the time, that's when I'll take those meals. I'm done with breakfast and now moving on to my next meals. I'm going to begin with this liver that has already soaked well. I'm going to dry it, and then after drying it fully, I'm going to stir fry it, and then after that, I'll make a sauce.
Will you fill me here and now on this holy ground? Your peace surrounds me, hope is found right where I am
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like
done making my liver, and so I'll just let it cook a bit. And as I do that, I'm going to make my vegetable fried rice, and I've just put my carrots there to steam a bit. And as I do that, I'm also removing my rice cooker because I need to set my rice also to cook. And just as usual, I wash as I go so that by the time I'm done meal prepping, I'll not be having a lot of utensils to wash.
Thinking about him, and would he understand if I told him how I feel about him?
I've used 2 cups of rice and I'm going to wash it well. I'm going to rinse it about 4 to 5 times until the water is clear.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile.
I've put in my rice, and so I'll pour in my water. 2 cups, just the same as the rice is also 2 cups. Yeah, so for the rice cooker you use 1 to 1, and if you're using a pot, then 1 cup of rice will go with 2 cups of water. Then I'll add some salt, and then I'll also add some turmeric.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I'll mix it well, and then after that I'll add in some cooking oil, and then I'll close it and let it cook.
Forever. You as you sleep, you don't know I'm looking with you.
My liver is also now fully ready, and so I'll just set it aside to cool. My carrots also are ready, and so I'll go ahead and fry my rice.
I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Here are my carrots. I just simmered them a bit because I don't like adding them when they are raw. There's a way that they taste that I don't like, but you can just add them raw. That will still work fine.
Forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
My rice is ready, and so I'll just remove it and then add it onto my stir frying vegetables. I'll then mix it well, and my vegetable fried rice will be ready.
I would, 'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
It's now time to serve, and so this time I'm going to use my glass containers, and I'm going to serve my vegetable fried rice with liver.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I'm taking one to the fridge and then the rest I'm taking to the freezer, and then we move on to our next meal. I'm going to boil some beans, and this time around I'm going to just boil them. I'm not going to fry them, but I'm going to just store them that way after boiling, so that anytime I'll feel like eating, I'll just take out and then I fry and take with whatever I'll feel like taking them with. I've also cleaned my rice cooker, and I like cleaning side things because they're so bulky, so that they can get out of the way. That way it makes work easy for me now and even later. So as my beans is boiling, I have this meat right here that I want to cook, and I'll follow the same steps that I did with the liver. I'll stir fry this until it's golden brown, and with the meat it becomes so easy, not like with the liver. Yeah, so this will be a bit fun than with the liver. And I try to use this platter screen, guys, and I'll advise you not to buy it in case you see it. Instead, buy the silver one. Don't buy the black one because the colors tend to come out. Yeah, so don't buy this black one. I've used it once and I don't think I'll use it again unless I'm going to use it for something else. I'm done with the first batch, and so I'll put another. Then after that I'll make my sauce. The beans is ready, and so I'll just open it so that it can cool. This is so fast, yeah, so I'll go ahead and continue making my sauce. I've used the same oil that I used to stir fry it, and also the meat produced a lot of oil because it was a bit fat. Yeah, so that's why, as you can see, the oil is a bit cloudy. Yeah, so you might feel it's too much, but it's not.
say you burn forever in hell. Will it hurt forever, or will I get used to the pain? When will these clouds go away, turn into rain? And when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where all the clouds.
My meals are ready and yummy, and so I'll go ahead and serve them. And these ones will take me a long way. Like one container, I'll take maybe twice or 3 times because these containers are slightly bigger than the other ones. And for the beans, I think after frying it, I cannot even take it less than 3 times. This one maybe I'll take maybe 3 or 4 times because it's too much, and after frying again it becomes even more. For the beef, I'll be cooking the rest of the meals that I'll be eating with it. Maybe chapatis or rice or spaghetti or just anything that can go well with that, or even ugali. Yeah. And those ones I don't meal prep. I cook them as I go. Lastly, I have some chopped cabbage, some onions, some green bell peppers, and also some carrots. We're going to make some salad, and so I'll add into my pot some olive oil, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. And then after that, I'll add in some salt.
Sorry to my ex, you deserve more. Sorry to my ex-boss, but I'd rather stay poor. Well, so maybe I'll go.
My salad is ready and cooled, and this one didn't even take like 2 minutes because I didn't want it like very much cooked. Yeah, this one is still very crunchy, and I'm just going to cover it and then set it in the fridge, and I'll be taking that with my first 3 days meals. I don't like serving my salads together with the meals in the same containers because I don't like warming my salads. I like eating them cold, and so when I warm my food, I serve these ones on top separately after warming my food. I'm done with the cooking, guys, and so I'll go ahead and clean my cooker and then just clean a bit in the kitchen. I'm not going to clean much today. I'm just going to clean with you just a bit, and then after that I'm going to open with you a package that I've just received.
And I buy little things, wanna kick people out the door. Well, so maybe I'll go to hell. Don't watch me go. And maybe I'll go to hell. Don't watch me go. I guess you can never tell. You never know if you'll go to hell. When will these clouds go away, turn into rain? And when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where.
And this is what I was talking about. As you can see, I have very few utensils. Yeah, simply because I was washing as I go. And this one will take me only less than 5 minutes. I'll be done and then close this work for today.
They say you burn forever in hell. Will it hurt forever, or will I get used to the pain? When will these clouds go away, turn into rain? And when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where all the clouds go
I'm having a Christmas package, guys, that I've just received from Pamba Home Essentials. I didn't expect this completely, I did not. And so I've received a package and let me just open it with you guys. I couldn't wait for tomorrow, so I'm doing this at night. As you can see, I have these red balls, Christmas decoration balls right here, and they come in 3 textures. Yeah, and I think I have some, and I love these textures so much. And also the red color, because I think that again will be my theme for this here also. I think I'll begin decorating for Christmas maybe in the coming video or the one after that. Yeah, and then I got the white ones too, and these ones are snowy, as you can see. I also have a pack, and these ones, the more you have the better. The more you have the better. You need to have a lot of them for your tree to look beautiful. And then I got this star also, a golden one, and I can see this one has some 2 decoration, the white decoration just right there. Yeah, this one is big. And they've sent me a tree also, and the way this one is big, I think the tree is also big, because from the look of things, that box is very big, yeah, than the Christmas tree, than the box that I have for my previous Christmas tree. So I think it's big, very big. Yeah, from the look of things, I think it's very big. Let's wait and see. And then I have these lights also here, and I'm so happy that they're white. Yeah, I don't like the mixed colors. Yeah, like the green, yellow, orange. This one is white, and I love that. So if you need these ones, you can get anything that you see here. You can get all that from Pamba Home Essentials. As you can see, the light is white, and as I do my decoration, you'll see everything, and I'll mention to you guys where I'll get everything, because that's when I'll be decorating completely. So I'll be showing you everything, because some are not even here. And now let's open the Christmas tree. Let's unbox the Christmas tree. You can already tell that this is a huge one, and I'm already in love with this. Though this time I wanted to go with the snowy one. I wanted to go with a whitish, the snowy ones. But this one is so cool. Also, it's big, it's beautiful, and you can clearly tell it's very big, very big. Though I don't know how many feet, but I know it's big. Like, I think the other one that I had is half of this one. It's very big. Thank you so much, Pamba Home Essentials, for this package. I'm so happy and blessed. I'm also going to close this video right here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.